lifestyle changes you should make after the age of 30. Do you know the age of 30 is a crucial time? Life gives us another chance to make our life better. We just get one life, so it's better to live the way we always wanted. Stay tuned till the end of the video if you want to know about the lifestyle changes that you should make at the age of 30, like how you can manage stress, practice gratitude, and many more. 1. Try to be in good shape. Now, you have to make a decision whether you want to get in good shape or get older fast. I know you would never like to get older fast. Therefore, you should exercise regularly and try to be in perfect shape. Daily workout not only improves your performance level, but also helps the cardiovascular system to work smoothly. It is very important for you to understand that no one can change your life except you. If you think you are a lazy person and don't want to join the gym alone, you can convince your friend or try a group fitness class. In this way, you will enjoy your workout routine. If you don't like going to the gym, not a problem. You can do some other exercises like cycling, hiking, running, or anything that you like, but make sure it has health benefits. 2. Start flossing. If you have healthy, white teeth, you can confidently smile, and it also improves your health. Everybody accepts this fact, but still, most people don't care about their teeth. Imagine every time you try to kiss your girlfriend but chicken out due to bad breath. Therefore, you should not compromise your dental health. It's never too late to start flossing, even at the age of 30. You should try to get the best state of your teeth because your oral health has some direct connection with your general well-being. You know, you bring a lot of bacteria into your body if you don't keep your mouth clean. Make it your habit to brush, floss, and also use mouthwash twice a day. 3. Avoid drinking energy drinks. Let me ask you an interesting question. Do you know why Cristiano Ronaldo, the famous footballer, removed the Coca-Cola bottle during the press conference? Actually, he was trying to urge his fans to drink water instead of these carbonated drinks. You should also learn from this move. Water is important to keep you fit and in good shape. If you drink too much carbonated or high-sugar drinks, it will increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, damaged kidneys, and heart disease, and you will gain weight. Moreover, these drinks will also lead to cavities and tooth decay. 4. Work on your sleep. Sometimes we get so busy in our lives that we don't find enough time to sleep. This adversely affects our physical and mental health. Remember, quality sleep is more important than getting more sleep. If you sleep well, it boosts your mental health and improves your mood. It's even said that grief and sorrow can be alleviated by quality sleep. Make sure you don't have a TV in your bedroom, and also avoid using a mobile phone when you get into your bed. If you don't work on your sleep, you will remain exhausted all the time, and you will never be able to focus on your work. 5. Focus on your eating habits. It's time to seriously think about your eating habits. First of all, you have to limit processed meats like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs because they increase the risk of obesity and developing cancer. Try to fill your plate with vegetables like spinach, carrots, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli, as they are good for your health. Also, try to start your day with a balanced breakfast. This habit positively affects your mood. 6. Learn how to manage stress. You have to master the art of managing stress if you want to live this life peacefully. Sometimes life gets tough and you have to go through hell. Whatever is happening in your life, you have to keep going. Why would you stay in hell? When you take too much stress without thinking about the solution, it seems like this is the end of your life. You must be aware of the fact that when you take on too much stress, it seriously affects your health. Did you know that 77% of our illnesses are the results of taking on stress? Therefore, when you're having a rough time, try to remember the great days. 7. Don't forget to travel. Do you know that traveling is a great investment in yourself? Therefore, you should travel before it's too late. I think that the 30s is the best age to travel because you earn a decent amount of money, and this allows you to save some money for fun and investment. I know your job is important because it fills your bank account, but don't forget that traveling also fills your soul. Whether it's a 1-hour drive to the farmhouse or an 8-hour flight to a faraway destination, if you don't go, you will never know how the world works. Traveling is not just fun, but you also learn many things about different cultures. Moreover, when you get out of your boring routine, you feel happy, and when you get back to work after a memorable trip, you can also focus on work. Consider the world a book. If you don't travel, it means that you have just read a single page, not all of it. 8. You only get life once. Don't forget to enjoy it. Have you heard about YOLO? It means you only live once. Don't ruin it with stress and anxiety. Even if you are struggling financially, don't forget that you have a family, and they will surely help you in getting rid of the tough situation. You will see a better time coming. Have faith. Tough times never last long. This is the beauty of life. Even if you made so many mistakes in the past, now is the time to forget them all and move forward. Just because you've reached your 30s doesn't mean that you have no right to have fun. If you just run after the money, you become irritable, pessimistic, and unsatisfied with your life. You must keep in mind that there are some people in your life whose happiness depends on you. If you smile, they smile. If you are sad, it makes them sad. No amount of money or success can buy this quality time that you spend with your family. Go on a date with your partner. If you have children, spend some quality time with them. Make as many memories as you can. 9. Practice gratitude. One thing you should know is that gratitude does not mean getting things that you want. It means finding peace and satisfaction in the present moment. No matter what is happening around you, you just need to have faith that every step forward is a step toward achieving something worthwhile. Remember, getting worried about problems does not solve them. You must acknowledge the fact that you cannot fulfill your every desire. Sometimes the situation gets out of hand, and there are a lot of things that you have to sacrifice. But later on, you find out that those things were not good for you, that they were not meant to be with you because you deserve better. So, before you go to bed, don't forget about all the good things that have happened to you during the day. Try to be thankful for all those moments and hope for more. 10. Stop your bad habits. You're not a college kid now, so stop these bad habits of smoking and drinking. Smoking and drinking increases the risk of mouth and throat cancer. Care about yourself. It's better for you to understand that these bad habits are not going to lower your stress. You will just become an addict, and it will have a serious effect on your health and relationships. That's all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll be notified of each update. Click on the above video if you want to know about finance lifestyle changes that you should make at the age of 30.